So what do you think should be the future of coaching? And I mean, you were talking about it even now, but then any specific thoughts on how should coaching evolve as we move into the future?
Yeah, look, I think it's going to evolve whether, whatever view we have on it. Obviously, it's doing that already. And I was just reading something with the ICF that apparently it's going to be worth $22 billion or some US dollars by 2022. But where coaching will or should evolve, I think, I was involved in a program last year, which was sort of an inaugural program around global team coaching. Mm-hmm. And the GTCI. And I must say that really, really opened my eyes in a different way to the possibilities and of what a different world this world would be if we were able to provide coaching, not just to corporate, but to any aspect of community, social, the social fabric, where coaching is available, and working with teams.
Correct.
This is the thing. Working with individuals is kind of one thing on its own. How do you turn that into greater power, impact, amplified, and results lasting when you're actually able to work on the journey of the team through all those stages of forming and evolution that goes on and is a continual process.
Correct. And it's also not just about coaching internal teams, but it's also coaching with your partners, with your other external stakeholders and all of that, right? So it's basically group coaching across different interfaces.
Correct. And and across communities. If you think of all this, social entrepreneurs have done an incredible work, but it's almost an extension of bringing together these NGOs and even social hubs and things, whereby working in this collaborative way and getting insights and learning from each other on a shared goal and outcome is just, something that we hadn't ever considered and, as possible until this year, when we also see what technology can do, working through Zoom, breakouts, all the rest of it. It's done an incredible, left us with lots of opportunity.
Beautiful. Wonderful, Lauren. So this has been, I would say, a good 30 minutes well spent understanding. Sometimes everything looks like common sense, but then it's like, it's good to have common sense get reiterated again and again, right? And I love, and I kind of get that sense from, you've kind of, it's about the basics. I think that's what I understood from this. It's about sticking to the basics, but and kind of improving them with all the technology advancements that we're currently having to transform and teams and the organizations, I guess, right? So
exactly. And I think that just on that is just don't discount the power of words, the power of conversation to shape and change minds and collectively. It's immense, it's huge, and it's a real privilege to be able to do that in the service of good as well.
Correct. Doing good by gaining good, right? And that's
exactly.
Here. Wonderful. I should say thank you, Lauren, for the time that you've taken, and my very best wishes to you and now in Tasmania. So let's stay in touch, Lauren.
We will do. Thank you. Lovely to see you, and all the best to Venkat as well.
Definitely. Take care.
All right. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.